getting ready for bed. So I'm gonna do a little tiny demonstration because I just wanna give you guys some raw, uncut footage. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Christelle here. If it's your first time visiting, thank you for stopping by. And if you're a return visitor, thank you again for stopping by and for keeping up to date. Today, I wanted to do a quick review for you guys. I haven't used this product yet, but I'm really excited because I've heard really good things, really good reviews. So I'm excited to share it with you guys. I'm really not doing what my shirt says stay humble, and I'm literally bragging right now. But if you were me, you would be bragging right now too, honestly. So without further ado, I have the Foreo Luna Play. This sounds crazy, but this is for your skin, guys. This is for your face. This is for skincare, to smooth out your skin. And I'm super excited because these are super expensive, but Black Friday was literally right around the corner. I know I'm bougie, y'all, and I had to wait for a sale, but whatever. So this one is, it doesn't say mini, but regardless, it's in the color Sunflower Yellow. And I mean, I literally just opened it just to see like what was inside. Not that there's like not that there's a lot, but I'm really like unboxing this on camera with you guys. So I have no idea what does what or whatever the case is. So I literally am taking the little tape off right now. Okay, and the back just popped open. Not too sure what this is. This is probably a scrubber. It looks like a magnet, honestly. Not sure. Scratch. It says scratch. I don't know. What do I scratch with this? I'm not sure what I do with this part, honestly, but we'll move on. So let me see. There's instructions. So it looks like it says first you have to put on your soap or your cleanser. I need to sneeze. My nose is tickling right now. Okay, so put on your cleanser. And then you want to wet the device, and then you want to put the device on your face for 60 seconds. And then rinse off. So it says Foreo, the tiny but mighty T-Sonic facial cleansing device. My face is looking real fresh, real clean. Ooh, I look really light though. I look really light though, honestly. But it looks like my face is clean. Deep yet gentle cleansing, lasts 100 plus uses. Ultra hygienic silicone, non-rechargeable. This is great. Okay, so yeah, literally if it says 100 uses, I'm pretty sure that they time each use for 60 seconds. Let's see. Battery disposal. Yeah, that's too complicated. If anything, I'll probably just buy another one. Ooh, look at those bristles. Can you see them? My nails look a little funky right now, so I'm trying to take them out the... I don't know, my hand's shaking. It's like I had too much caffeine. I barely had caffeine today, but I'm a little jittery. But it looks like it's real, like, massaging. My brain's not really fully functioning right now. Okay, and the power button is in the back. So press that. Oh, can you see the vibration? Nah, but I'm pretty sure y'all could hear it. I don't want to waste my, 100 uses. But yeah, I'm super excited. This is kind of, I guess, a quick unboxing of one of my new gadgets. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. And if you guys have used a Foreo device before, let me know, what you think of it. And I'm excited, and maybe I will be a returning customer and buy some other things. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. So please like, comment, subscribe, any and everything. All right, see you. Bye.